ninth class students. How are you students? I think you all are well. And students, today we are start chapter number 7, triangles. Yes, two figures are congruent if they are of same shape and same size. Two circles of same radii are congruent. अगर दोनों सर्कल्स का रेडियस सेम हो देन वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे. नेक्स्ट, टू स्क्वायर्स ऑफ सेम साइड्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. दोनों स्क्वायर्स या साइड्स सेम होंगी देन दे आर आल्सो कॉन्ग्रुएंट. फॉर एग्जांपल अवर हैंड्स आर ऑफ सेम शेप एंड सेम साइज एंड दे प्रॉपर्ली ओवरलैप ईच अदर. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ congruency. For example, these two pages are in rectangular shape and they are of same shape and same size and they overlap each other. They overlap each other properly. This is also the example of congruency. Yes students, now we are starting exercise 7.1. The first question is, in a quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A, show that triangle ABC is congruent to ABD. This is a symbol of congruency. What can you say about BC and BD? Yes students, we start the question. First we write the given. राजी, क्वेश्चन में हमने गिवन वही लिख देना है जो हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. इन ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल वी राइट ABCD इज क्वाड्रिलेटरल. और क्या गिवन है? AC इज इक्वल टू AD and AB bisects angle A. गिवन में ये लाइन हमने एज सच राइट कर देनी है. एंड नेक्स्ट वी राइट टू प्रूफ में भी हमने वो लाइन एज सच कर देनी है जो हमें शो डैट में लिखा होगा क्वेश्चन में. डैट इज triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. And now we start proof. Yes students, what is given in this figure? What we have given? We have given AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. That is given in the question. Next, what we have given? We have given angle CAB is equal to angle DAB. What is the reason? AB, because AB bisects angle A. Next, what is other we have given? AB is equal to AB. That is common na. AB is equal to AB. That is common. So, by which congruency? Yes, by SAS rule, this is congruent. And triangle ABC is congruent to ABD. Yes students, the next question is ABCD is quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to CBA. Prove that triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. And next, BD is equal to AC, we also prove it. And angle ABD is equal to BAC, we also prove it. First we write given in this question. We also write the line which is the first line of question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. We write first line as such. Write ABCD is quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. And next we write to prove. What we have proved in this question? We proved triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. In second part, BD is equal to AC. And in third part, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. And next proof. Yes students, in proof we take two triangles in triangle ABD and triangle. First we take triangle ABD. And then we take triangle ABC. Yes students, what we have given in this triangle? We have given AD is equal to BC. Right? AD is equal to BC. That is given. And next we have given the angles. Angle DAB is equal to angle BAC. That is also given. Yes students, what is common? Common is AP. And this figure AB is included, and in this figure AB is also included. So AB is equal to AB. Common. Yes students, which congruency is used? By SAS rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Yes students, what is second part? Second part, BD is equal to AC. Where is BD? BD is this and AD is this. Likho BD is equal to AC. How? By CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. And the third part is angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Where is angle B? ABD. This is angle B. And BAC. This is angle A. These are also equal. How? By CPCT. We know corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Thanks students. Have a nice day.